In this video, we'll cover two ServiceNow mobile applications, Agent Mobile and Now Mobile. We'll define the purpose of each app and who uses them. ServiceNow Mobile complements the existing web-based experience. These applications integrate workflows from other traditional ServiceNow applications, like IT service management, field service management, customer service management, and HR. Mobile users can access and complete work tasks without being tied to their desks. Also, the applications leverage native device capabilities. For example, use the camera to scan barcodes for inventory management, or to capture images for task notes. Use geolocation to show nearby tasks on a map. You can even make a phone call or send an email directly from a record. Before implementing ServiceNow Mobile, answer a few questions. Which workflows need to be supported in mobile? Which business unit applications need to be enabled? Do you want to use one or both mobile applications? Agent Mobile was built for field service technicians and engineers. It uses geolocation for real-time location updates and navigation. And users can still get their work done through the app even when connectivity is unavailable. For example, let's look at the assigned tasks for a field service technician named Ray William. He's at his first job site for the day and received a notification for a new project not too far from where he's currently located. He opens Agent Mobile and lands on the My Work page. All tasks are shown. He opens the task assignment and reads the required skills. It's a good match, so he'll accept. Next, let's look at the Now Mobile application. This application can be used by the entire organization, any role, any department, any location. An employee can do things like submit a request, check their work schedule, or read a company policy. Let's look at an employee named Beth Anglin, whose laptop won't turn on. She opens the Now Mobile app on her phone to request IT assistance. As she types in the details of her issue, the app displays helpful options and knowledge articles. Since her issue can only be solved by a technician, the app suggested that she files an incident. She'll be notified when the incident is assigned to an IT technician. Notifications are pre-configured in the application. You'll receive notifications when changes are made to a request or schedule, or when new company information is posted. After you decide which workflows to support, a ServiceNow administrator would be responsible for configuring the applications. Administrators can use Mobile App Builder to build workflows or use the workflows already pre-configured. After configuration, users can download and begin using the application on their mobile device. For more information, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.